Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Fotor, Fotor, and Adobe Photoshop. Hey creators, both of these tools have leveled up in 2025, but we still need to find out which one is right for you. So let's break it down in a few seconds. When it comes to ease of use, Fotor is super beginner friendly and has AI-powered presets at 2025, while Adobe Photoshop has a steeper learning curve and pro-level control. When it comes to AI tools, Fotor has one-click enhancements and basic and background removal, while Adobe Photoshop has advanced AI like neural filters and generative fill. When it comes to price, Fotor has a freemium plan, and then if you want to go pro, you pay $9.99. Adobe Photoshop costs about $22.99 a month. Ouch, that is expensive. When it comes to speed, Fotor is lightweight and has fast edits, while Adobe Photoshop uses heavy software, so it needs good hardware. When it comes to templates, Fotor has tons of social media templates, while Adobe Fotor has more customizable but fewer ready-made designs. When it comes to mobile app, they both have mobile apps, but Fotor has a smooth and fully functional mobile app, while Adobe Photoshop has a powerful mobile app, but it is clunky on phones. Lastly, let's look at who or what they are best for. Fotor is best for quick edits, social media graphics, while Adobe Photoshop is best for professional designers and photographers. So, who wins? Well, if you want speed and simplicity, Fotor is a choice. But if you want power and precision, Photoshop still reigns. But hey, why not use both? Drop a comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech showdowns. See you in the next video.